What's up, guys? In today's video, we will be learning about nested if statements. So I'm gonna create a file here. I'm just gonna call it tutorial 7 because this is our 7th tutorial here. Tutorial7.py. So now let's get on to what are nested if statements. So a nested if statement is an if statement that has a condition here that is inside another if statement with a condition. So that means a nested if statement is an if statement that is inside an if statement. So how this works, we can set some variables. So we could say x equals 3 and y equals 4. And then let's just make an if statement and say if x is equals 3, then run this code. And then we can say print x is equal to 3. But now let's add in a nested if statement. So let's say if y equals 4, we can print x equals 3 and y equals 4. Let's save that and run that. So let's just give it a second here. Python 3, and we're gonna say tutorial7.py. We hit enter, and then it prints x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. And how this code works is it'll run if x is equal to 3, and then it'll run if y is equal to 4. So it'll only run if y is equal to 4 if x is equal to 3. So let's just change x to 5 and save that. It doesn't print x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 because x is not equal to 3. So the if statement inside of the previous if statement won't run. And with nested if statements, you can nest as many if statements as you want. So you can put another if statement here and just keep on going. Now we can also add in an else statement here. So we can say else print x is equal to 3 and y is not equal to 4 here. So now we can save that and we can change this to 5, and then it should print that x is equal to 3 and y is not equal to 4. Let's run this, and it prints x is equal to 3 and y is not equal to 4. So we can also add in else statements and elifs. And also we can also add outside else, we can print x is not equal to 3 and save that. And then if we change x to like 2 and run the code, x is not equal to 3 because x is 2. So just to clarify that you can have as many nested if statements inside, and you can also add else and elif statements inside of a nested if statement. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.